everybody, Shauna here, and I am so excited today. I am doing a Trendsend unboxing. It's from Evereve. If you have never been to an Evereve store, stop what you're doing right now. Go to an Evereve store. Super cute, soft, lovely. The experience is wonderful. I have to admit, I have worked there in the past. I'm not currently working there, but you will love it. And if you don't want to go in the store, get a Trendsend box. They are so much fun. This is my first one in a really long time. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they sent me. So let me see what I got. Okay, one thing to know about Evereve and Trendsend is it's not cheap. If you're Old Navy and Target and that's your price zone, perfect. Mine too, for a lot of things. Evereve for me is like special occasion clothes, like get a piece here, get a piece there, because it is not cheap. It's really high quality, but it's not cheap. So just know that going into it. Okay, what did they send me? The summer Evereve style guide, and then a note. And Jera styled me, who is lovely. All right, so the other cool thing about how Evereve styles you is they send outfits usually. So I had asked for summer clothes and I need a necklace, so I don't know if they sent that, but they usually put everything into outfits, not just pieces, and so then you can try them on all together. Okay, so here are my bundles. Here is the first outfit, so let's see what we got. All right, I love Spiritual Gangster. Cute tank top, perfect for summer. What's it say? I can't even see. Sun-kissed? Sun-kissed? Really, really cute, fun tank top for summer. Oh my gosh, okay. And these, I think I've seen these before and wanted them, so I hope they look cute. They are these pants that have these wide legs and these cut open legs, which look so comfortable. So I'm really looking forward to trying that on. Something else fell out of here. Oh, and some little shorts too that are the same fabric. Oh my gosh, those look so comfortable. All right, and they will go with this tank top. Perfect. Okay, what else? All right. Some white, which is cute, but I'm messy again here. Oh, okay. So here is what do they call this? I can't remember. Like deconstructed? I don't know what it's called, but it's cute with this little frayed hem everywhere. I mean, I feel like you have to like this look, but I think it would be really fun for summer to have like this totally distressed edge. That's cute. Okay. And some white denim. Ooh, white denim. It's by A. Goldie. A. Goldie and I typically aren't friends because I don't find that it's very stretchy, but hey, let's see, could be amazing. The last thing in this outfit, come on now, open it up, it looks like a necklace, which is what I wanted. And look how cute it is. It's just like a little lock, and I need a new gold necklace, and that would be really cute. Hold on, how does that work here? Oh, like that. Look how cute that is. Okay, so let's look at the next outfit. All right, so, oh, this is fun. Some cut from the cloth gray denim shorts, which I love cut from the cloth, and I love gray denim actually. So that's gonna be cute, and they sent with it, oh, look at this cute tie-dye tank top. That's really cute and soft, and would be perfect to go with those denim shorts. All right, well, let me go try everything on, and we'll see how it all looks. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and it's cute. This tank top is incredibly soft. I love the colors in it. It's so casual. And you know what I like? It also doesn't say too much. Like I hate live, laugh, love. Like, I don't like a lot of words on my shirts, but this is really subtle and very summery. Put on with jean shorts, put on with these cute black pants. So cute. My cat's gonna put on a show again. We've missed him. Okay, so tell me what you think about these pants. So they're really cute and really comfortable, but are they flattering? I'm not totally sold that they're very flattering on me. They have this big slit up the side. Can you see? They have this elastic waistband that's so comfortable and the fabric is soft, but it has these fun sides. And I think they're really cool, but I don't know if it's totally flattering on me, or does it even matter? It's like summer, it's cash, lounge around in it and it's fine. I don't know, my husband was like, I don't know about those, but he liked the shirt. They're so comfortable, it might not even matter. I might just need to get them anyway. So tell me what you think about these. Hey, Georgie. All right, so I'll go try on the shorts in the same fabric and be right back. Okay, here are the shorts, and there are things that I really am happy about these shorts. For one, they have the same fun elastic waistband, and when I say fun, I mean comfortable, could sleep in them, elastic waistband. Also, the pants didn't have pockets, and the shorts have pockets. I think the length is okay. Tell me what you think about the look. I'll say the only thing that's really I am not that stoked on is just the fabric and me, that they kind of climb up in the middle. So you're kind of being shaking them down a little bit when you walk, which it is what it is when you got lovely thighs, but I don't know, they might be too short and like be bugging me. But tell me what you think. How do they look? I can live with all that. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's better than I kind of thought it would be. Like, I wasn't sure this was my style, this sweater, but I don't know. I think it is, it's pretty cute. It is, I'm not sure I love this scalloped hem. I wish it was maybe just raw across, but it actually feels like kind of cool. I'm not sure I'm that cool to be able to pull it off, but it's fun. It feels just like, oh, very casually just throw on this old sweater I have. Okay, oh, and here I have the necklace on, which I think is cute. I just need to get more gold necklaces. I have barely any, and because I'm kind of picky about them. I don't know, what do you think of that? It's pretty fun and simple. I think I could pull it off. All right, and then the jeans, as expected, just goldies don't fit my body that well. I think they're for, my impression is that they're for a little straighter hips, and they're not really curvy people clothes because they just dig in always right here. They're a little tight on the thighs. Like, I mean, they're cute jeans, and I love the button fly. And I like the straight leg. I put them on with some clogs. And I think it's a cute outfit, but just the fit of them is just like digging in here. But, so I don't think it's me. But what do you think? Am I wrong? Is it cute? I just want there to be more stretch in them. And there's not. If these were like cut from the cloth, I'd be like, no problem. Give it a couple hours. They'll stretch and fit perfect. But I just know they're not going to do that, or else I don't think they are. So, all right, well, maybe not the perfect outfit. Let's see how the next one does. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. The tank top is by Z Supply, I think. And the tie-dye, I'm not super into tie-dye, but it's subtle, and it's nice and summery, I think. I put it on with my belt. My Birkenstocks, because that's probably how I would wear it anyways. And I think it's so soft. It's a little bit see-through, so it's thin, but it just makes it light and soft and lovely. It's racerback, so I put on a different bra with it. I like it. One other thing is I mean, I don't particularly care for this style, and it's fine, it's solved with a front tuck, but it is very long and flowy. So if you're someone who wants things with a little bit more room in this area, or you like things to cover a bit back here, perfect. This is terrific. If you're not, you can also just do a tuck and have it be just as adorable. So options there. Okay, tell me what you think of the shorts. I really like them. I like the gray. I like that they're cut from the cloth. They fit great. They're a little bit short. They're just a little bit short. What do you think? I mean, I'd probably rock them, but probably shouldn't. Just saying, just saying. What do you think about the shorts? Okay, this whole box I want my sister to come over and try on because I think she would love those black pants and I think she would love this tank top, and so I might have to not send anything back until she tries things on. Or maybe I'll keep them. I don't know. Tell me what you think about this whole outfit. I think it's really fun and I would totally wear this outfit. Oh, but I can't get everything. So let me know what you like best and in the comments because I'm not sure. And also don't forget about this necklace because my husband said it's a carabiner and now all I can see is a carabiner. All right, let me go put my regular clothes on. Let's look at prices because it matters for sure. All right, be right back. Okay, I just read my note and Alona and Jara styled me and I thought they sent some really great pieces and they were really thoughtful about what they sent. So let's go over some prices and see what makes the most sense. So the necklace is $38. I might just have to get that. That's pretty typical for Evereve jewelry. And they said these are a hot item right now. And so they sent it and I do think it is really cute. All right, so then the white pullover is on sale for $69.99. And honestly, this thing surprised me the most. I did not think I was gonna love it, and I really do like it. Tell me if you think I'm crazy. Even my husband was like, oh, I really like that, that's fun. It's like, oh, okay. They're also having a clearance sale right now, so I wonder if it's even more on sale now. Okay, so that's a maybe. And what's the price down from? Hold on. It was originally $90. Okay, so the necklace is $38. This is $70. Okay, so the 8 goldies they're a lot. They're $178. And if they were fit perfect and lovely, I would not be opposed to spending that kind of money on 8 goldies because they're a purchase that you just keep forever if they are perfect on you, right? You have to find your perfect denim and these just aren't perfect on me. So it doesn't make sense for me on this one. Also, honestly, I don't know if I'd spend $178 on a pair of white pants because you are magical if they can last more than 2 seasons without having a stain on them that have to toss. I mean, people are doing miracle work with bleach and stuff, but I'm not that good at that stuff. Okay, so the Spiritual Gangster tank top is $58, which everybody's like, ugh, a tank top for $58 in Spiritual Gangster. I just knew that it would be. That's how they are. They're soft and lovely, and you just have to decide if it's worth it for you. I'll have to decide if it's worth it for me because it is really, really cute. Okay, the next thing is the gauze shorts, and they're by Roan and Ryan, and they are, oh sorry, these are the pants, and they are $98, and the shorts are $68. What do you think? I think my sister would really like these, but I kind of like them too. I kind of don't want her to have them. I feel like I could put these on and lounge around and work. I mean, I could wear these all the time. They're like pajamas, but not pajamas, but cute and fun. And then the shorts, I like these too. Ugh, I don't know if I like them more than the gray ones though. So $60 and $98. And then the tie-dye tank, again, I think my sister would love this, and it is $48, which is, Z Supply has pretty good prices. God, look how stretchy this is. I mean, it just is lovely. And then, and I like it too, so maybe I'm not gonna give it to her. And then I really did like these shorts, but were they too short? I can't decide. I should try them on for my husband. They're $69. Wait, is that true? Yeah, $69. Which, yeah, I'm not really surprised by that price. But are they worth it? That's the question. Are they worth it? Okay, this was a tough one. I think the ladies did an amazing job on this box. It was totally styled for me. Love it. Now I just have to make some tough decisions. So if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.